Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a get ready with me and a vlog. I'm really hoping I can film most of my makeup, but I've got Lily here with me today, so it's a little bit hard to get ready when you've got a baby. Obviously I will probably be stopping in between. Luckily you guys probably won't notice because I'll just probably edit it all together. I've already done my hair. I look a little bit like Curly Sue. I've got these little clips in and I've just kind of, yeah, curled my extensions, but I'm hoping they drop a little bit. But I did it really tight so it will hold later in the night. Basically, I haven't even mentioned where I'm going. I'm going to the Barbie premiere with my friend Coco. I am his +1, so I'm very lucky to be invited and be involved. My arm's actually getting really sore because I'm not used to holding a camera. I'm not really sure where to start. Sorry if you can hear cartoons playing. I'm trying to keep this one as busy as I can. It's like the rare occasion where obviously I have to get ready during the day, like full glam. I actually feel a little bit flustered because I feel like I'm going to be rushing. I don't feel like this setup's going to be very ideal, to be honest, but you know, we just got to go with it. If you want to know anything I'm using, I'll put it down below in the description because I don't want to think too much about mentioning every single thing as I'm getting ready. I've got a limited edition Anastasia palette. This is the Riviera. To be honest, I probably used this once for a review and I never used it again, so this is a great opportunity to use it. We've got some like pinky tones in here. I'm going to start out with some of these and then maybe that one. I really wish I turned off the nursery rhymes while I came in here with Lily because all I can hear is the Muffin Man playing from the lounge room. She's looking around like, what are we doing? This isn't fun. Very excited to go tonight and go to the premiere and watch the movie. I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. I love Margot Robbie and Ryan Gosling, so super duper excited. I hope there's heaps of snacks. My mind goes straight to the food. I'm thinking about food all the time. I've got a little bit of a surprise later for you guys to see at Cocos House, so I cannot wait to show you guys. This lighting is not it. Maybe you can see me a little bit better now. I still need to put eyelashes on. I know I barely filmed any of my makeup, but I just feel like I'm rushing too much. I need to make Lily a bottle, so I need to do that, and then I probably need to put her down for a sleep. Wish me luck. If you don't see me here again, you'll see me at Coco's house.
Go wipe your ass before you talk shit, Coco.
Oh Jesus, it's so like,
what about these ones?
Oh my god, stop.
Oh my god, I
feel like I'm I don't see any of this footage until after I've died. Yeah. Jesus.
It's always 40. Sorry.
I thought it was 50.
I thought it was 55.
Oh.
New doctor, GP.
Bulk billing GP.
Thank you, and a pharmacy right here.
Oh my god.
Very easy.
That's good.
Absolutely. Okay, so anyway guys.
I'm here with Coco, finally.
I'm here, I'm not queer.
No, I'm straight, I think.
I'm happy to explore.
The last time you saw me, I was vigorously getting ready.
He's all arm right now. Someone's got to drive.
So we're...
Shannon, close your eyes.
Jesus! You're a bad driver.
Oh my god, no! You want to get on the freeway?
I know. We're going to get there on time. It just hit like it was kind of peak hour. School traffic, people coming home from work.
Hard.
We're going to Chadstone, far.
We're going to Dandenong.
We're going to Mildura.
Mildura, that's the one. Didn't you go there once?
I feel like we actually did go to Mildura, like with the family. I said I'm going to Mildura for the day.
You're funny. You go places.
It's been a while since I vlogged.
It's been a long time since you came around. We're here, we're queer, well, one half of us are.
Yep, we did see someone just walk in with a very hot pink, what's it called, trench coat?
We're going for more of a pastel pink.
Yeah.
That's more
I actually haven't shown my outfit.
Oh, okay.
That's okay.
Very Chanel.
Yeah.
It's giving March. But this is a real find.
Oh Jesus, whip me with your hair.
Oh my god, sorry.
You hit the camera. Okay, we're inside now. We're going to search for some popcorn.
We're hungry.
And some soft drinks, probably. We're back at Coco's house now, and this is the surprise I was talking about earlier. Okay, it looks like no one lives here.
Thank you. That is one of the nicest things you've ever said to me.
Oh my god, it looks amazing.
Does it? Thanks, Jan. Do you want a photo of the cake?
No, that's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't get photos with cakes.
You're not weird like that?
Oh wait, I just realised.
You're not weird like that?
I've left this recording the whole time.
Should we cheers?
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, big ears. Moist.
Our shit's gonna be bright blue.
Stop. What colour was it last time? Green.
I don't know.
Oh no, for Christmas mine was green.
I don't think I had your
Sorry,
green cake.
you didn't have the... Out of 10, what did you think of the movie?
I'm not gonna give it a 10.
Oh, thank you.
Only a couple of parts
Thank
that
you.
I don't feel like were necessary. Overall, the movie was really good. I'll give it an 8. And your rating?
A 7.5.
I think that's fair.
I don't know what I expected, but I didn't expect that.
I've got no idea what I expected.
I have to watch it again. It was cute. It was a cute movie.
With emotional parts put into it, which surprised me.
I mean, how cool that we got to experience a event together today. If you think about it, you did YouTube for so many years.
Too long. Still doing it. Still
doing it.
Still here. Came back for a little
You've
bit.
got your vlogging camera.
I know.
But the fact that you did YouTube for so many years while I was growing as a professional hairdresser, you know, you needed some time off. You had some personal things. You had a baby.
Took a break.
All good things.
Yeah.
You took a break. And then I started doing TikTok. I started going to events. You stepped away.
And we never did it together.
We never got to...
It was always separate.
We never got to have that. But today that changed.
It's weird because like I felt like I was always flying to Sydney. Always going to Sydney. More makeup events. And now every time I'm talking to this one here, I'm going to Sydney. I'm going to Sydney. I can't remember the last time I went to Sydney.
Really?
It would have been for an event. But
Rihanna?
Maybe. Fenty event, maybe.
I want another slice because I haven't eaten. I know you're not going to be able to.
I can't.
Her stomach's this big, mine's this big.
No, it could fit a...
Oh, stop it.
It could fit a quarter pounder, but
oh,
not
she wants to go for a Macca's run. I'll come with you, but I won't eat. Well, let's just have a look at the inside.
The innards. Ew.
Show me your inside.
Ew. It's a lot of blue food colouring.
Poison.
Yeah, my mother would be telling me off right now.
Oh, stop. Don't eat blue, she said.
Oh my god. So my mother would be telling me off because every time I got like a blue Powerade or a blue Gatorade, she'd say, Senay, don't pick the blue ones.
Pickies.
They've got cancer-causing cells in them.
She's saying now, but they do.
And I said, but the blue Powerade tastes the best. Okay guys, I'm home. It's been a few days since I went and saw the Barbie movie. I just filmed a crochet video. If it's up already, I will link it down below, but if it's not, I think it'll be up already anyway. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. I don't know what it's going to turn out like, to be honest, but I hope that you guys enjoyed just seeing us hanging out. Anyway, I'll leave it there and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Bye.